worked.
It did work. Cool.
Oh crap, the camera there shows it.
Oh my gosh.
Crap, it is. Oh, what happened here today?
I don't know.
Oh crap. Oh, it barely hit the top of the plastic. Dang, dude, I totally forgot about that. Is it okay?
I guess.
Like the plastic was just like touching the top. Like behind there too hard.
I'm sure this gave before
Yeah.
that did. Man, that's crazy.
Dude, dang, I totally forgot about that.
Me too. Well, that's exciting.
Cool.
That's our drama for the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, you broke my camera!
Alright, so should I start?
Yeah, you can like do stuff.
Alright.
You want to do like an intro or something? Or just
Sure.
wanna, like, just start doing stuff?
Yeah. So we're here today to replace the ball joint. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Awesome.
Anyways, are we going to do something on the car today? Or?
Alright. We're gonna send my car. What are we here today to do, Cody?
I actually don't know. You just like randomly showed up with your car and said, I'm working on your concrete slab.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do that, don't I? Well, we see here, I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not, but
Oh yeah, it's picking it up.
see like,
Wait.
no, see, look at the tire.
Let me
Look at the tire. Tire, there you go. Okay, you see that?
Oh yeah.
That's not the tire right because I just changed that a few months ago. It's actually the lower ball joint.
Well, that's weird too. How the tire like kind of goes like it. Yeah. Wow.
They're weird, yeah. It does
Is that
way
normal?
too. No, it shouldn't do that at all. So we got a new ball joint. We're gonna replace this thing.
You're not quite doing it right. You're supposed to like hold your hand behind it, so that way you could, and then you're supposed to tap it a little bit, like all the weird people do. No, well, no, with your fingernails. You gotta be like the influencers nowadays. There you go. Perfect.
So normally you could change like the whole control arm, which is almost easier. But I did the wrong thing and decided to be cheap and just get the part that was bad, which is harder because you got to press this out. So yeah, let's get to it. Step 1, remove tire. Remove tire. Done. Now what? I'm not really sure. I haven't changed one of these on a Ford yet.
You really weren't kidding, were you? But already dripped like 7/4 of oil on my
Wow, that's
concrete.
I'm going to remove this and this to just to get more visual looking at stuff out of my way. Actually, I might not even have to. I'm going to try to be lazy. I'm just going to disconnect the top of the ball joint and take it off. Should we get a close-up of that?
Oh, somehow the camera lost track of you. What did you do, Shane?
I was looking at my butt. What's wrong with you?
Are you gonna try to like not break my camera if I leave it down here?
I'll try.
Let's see.
Definitely no promises though. Okay. Let's take off this bolt. That's not nice when you're not holding the camera and trying to work on it at the same time.
Yeah.
Not that shaky. Me and my unprofessional video there.
Alright, so I guess I better go get you your drink.
Yeah, get a drink or something, jeez.
Holy.
Alright, the bolt is removed. Now let's see if we can break this loose. I'm trying to be lazy. I don't feel like taking off all the rest of this junk here. If I can just pop this loose and slide the knuckle out of the way and get my tool in there, that'd be great. But it still might be easier to at least get the rotor off. Alright, see if I can get this separated. Nope. I need a bigger screwdriver.
So I do got it. Oh, I got it.
And I didn't bring a hammer either.
Wow, this guy, I tell you. Show up here unprepared.
I did too.
Using all my stuff.
Oh, cool. Yeah, perfect.
Drinking my drinks.
Well, you're the one with cement.
It's true.
You kind of did this to yourself. I think this link here might be messing with me. Alright, we're going to disconnect the sway bar link. And someone put a camera right there. Or a microphone. We'll put you up here. There we go.
This cat loves to be held.
I can tell.
Kitty.
I saw that, like, then they look at you, like, how can you pet me? I don't know if it'll work that way or not, but we'll try it.
Ooh. All about trying it the wrong way the first time.
Mm-hmm. I'd like to show you the ways that it doesn't work first.
Exactly.
Let me show you the ways it's supposed to work.
That's right. I'm always telling the people never do anything too right around here.
Yeah. That's what's called chaotic junction.
Yeah.
It's chaotic.
Huh. It's kind of annoying.
Yeah. Well, let's see if that works. It probably won't, but we'll try it.
Nope, I think it's good.
We're just gonna try different things just for the fun of it.
Don't get my rag dirty.
I don't get back dirty.
It's helping. Just so you know, it's already almost been 40 minutes and you still ain't got that thing up.
I'm not really trying real hard right now.
Okay. Nope. Fail. Fail. Plunk. Huh. What do you know? I might be doing something. No?
Where is it?
Thought it was.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Really?
Look at that. I tried something wrong and it worked.
I like that. I think that should be the title. We tried something wrong and it worked.
I think normally it's supposed to be the other way, but you're supposed to press against the base here, but hey.
Once again, guys, I never claim that we do anything right around here.
Yeah.
And as always, don't do anything we do. We're professionals.
This is for entertainment purposes only. Ow! This hit my head.
That's pretty funny.
Look at that. Can you see that?
Yeah, you can see it pretty good.
So there you go. That's how it presses out. And then now we just gotta do the same thing, but in reverse. So the new one goes up into there.
Nice.
And always make sure you do the right thing. Get a string alignment after all this.
Yeah. Which, you know, we'll do with the tape measure.
Yeah. So see the old one? See it's going up and down pretty loose. This is one I can't even hardly turn that.
Yeah.
See this new one has a really thicker base. And it has an actual seat clip that goes up into here, which we really don't need that. This is never going to fall back down. But yeah, it's definitely it's a good product. So we're just lining it up to make sure it's the right height and everything. So everything looks pretty good.
And what product was that again?
This is the our not sponsor of the day, Moog Problem Solvers.
Oh yeah, that's the problem solver too, huh?
Problem Solver,
All right.
not the knockoff Problem Solver one.
Right.
Well, it could be on knockoff from Amazon, but okay, now to put it back in. Yeah. It has these ridges, which, you know, really grip it in place, but it's hard to get started. So I was going to bang on the bottom, see what happens. Okay, we're going to do something like this. We're going to throw this thing on top. Okay, now it's going to hit that base, though.
Yeah, but it's all about that base.
We're going to throw this on top. And then throw this on top.
Holy.
And then we're going to put this in here. And then none of that fits. Ah, my ball joint just fell out. Let's see if I can actually do it the proper way. So I think it's actually supposed to go, it's supposed to go this way, but we're not exactly in a shop of the lift.
Yeah, as you can tell, he's hitting the ground there. Well, you know, I just waiting for that one loyal fan to donate $5,000 so we get a new lift.
Right?
Wait for that factor sponsor.
Yeah. I feel like it probably would have been faster just to buy the whole control arm, and all I gotta do is take out that bolt and this bolt. Okay, this might actually work. So I need to push on the edges here. I don't want to push in the middle because that will damage it. So this piece here, I think would be the right one to write on that. I just gotta get this all in here. Okay, there we go. It's a little something, but
Yeah.
okay. Now we need this into here, this into here, and it gives the ball joint room to go through. And there we go. Oh yeah, they're going nice and tight.
Isn't that weird? Like they don't want it to come back out or something.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can flip this back up to here instead. Should be able to, I think. This works to a point until the shaft starts hitting this.
If you need a hand with anything, please hesitate to ask.
Oh yeah. There we go. Might work a little better.
Alright, we're trying to do something wrong again. Let's see if it works.
Let's do it the other wrong way. Actually, I might need a smaller cup piece, actually.
That one?
I think that might work better. I used the big one at first because it wouldn't go around this part here, but this one will. Oh. Do you have a bigger wrench?
Well, you know what I always do? I take the jack handle off.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh, that looks dangerous.
Let's see if this will.
Oh man.
Boom. That's it.
That actually tight and everything you mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Suck it right
okay.
down in.
Okay.
You
Didn't...
know it's tight once this gap is completely sandwiched in real good.
Okay.
Nice.
See if I can zoom in on that. I'm just finding out this actually has a pretty decent zoom.
Yeah.
Sorry, somebody's hand in the way.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Nice.
Now this is C-clip. I mean, it's kind of pointless really, but I'll put it on just because.
What? Why would you put something on there that it comes with?
I guess it's there for a reason.
Yeah, I
Oh.
guess.
Now what's this gonna do? Hold the hold the ball joint on, I guess.
Oh, I see. What's that for in case it does?
Yeah. I mean,
Holy cow.
you see how tight that was to get it back in there? It's not gonna go anywhere.
That'd be pretty rough to get that.
Yeah. The original one don't have one, so we'll put it on just because.
You gotta show the people we're safety minded.
Yeah.
Because we really care about safety.
Yeah. Be my wife's car. She probably wouldn't be so happy if the ball joint popped off. Alrighty. Time for a root beer drink.
Oh, it's looking.
Alright, for some reason this was a lot harder. Oh, hey, could you turn the wheel straight again?
Oh my goodness. You need me to do everything?
Kinda. Make it that easier. Now we gotta get this into here.
The heck was that noise?
That was my head hitting the.
Oh.
Trying to pinch my fingers.
Just try not to curse. You got like 3 microphones on you, so
Oh yeah, sure.
try not to curse at it.
You gotta get it in perfectly straight.
It's a family-friendly channel.
Family friendly show. Oh, whoa, what?
Oh wow, did that just slide right in?
It literally just slid right in.
See?
How come the other one was very difficult?
Because you were making it look harder than it needed to for the camera. We know. You gotta add drama. People love drama, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Is it in?
Yep.
In like Flynn?
And as always, make sure you check your torque specs.
Do you need a wrench?
Oh, I got one, I think.
You mean you actually have a tool of your own?
I actually have a wrench. Now we can put our sway bar back on. Okay, sway bar on.
Click. Click.
That's my my human torque wrench. Okay, now what's left? Put that grease insert on. Where'd it go to?
Over here.
Did you steal my grease insert? Much of this? The cat's like jumping around and chasing leaves and stuff.
Like you're spinning in a circle doing something over there.
So I make sure you put a bunch of grease in here and it explodes out the boot. Perfect.
Hear it already.
Sweet. Okay, so yeah, that's done. We put the tire on. Give it a test drive.
Wait.
What?
Did you do the right thing and you're only doing one?
Yeah, I'm only doing one.
Oh, okay.
I'll probably do the other side too. I was just like, I was likely sure how difficult this was going to be compared to just buying the whole control arm. Looking back, I probably should have just bought the whole control arm, but... Oh, I always forget that stupid clip.
Ooh, look at that.
I did it in my video too. I had to go back and put it on. Or our brake video.
Yeah, guys, don't forget that little brake spring clip thing.
Yeah, I think it just mostly holds it for like vibrating. Doesn't really actually physically need it to not like fall off. But
Makes me wonder, like, what is even the point initially of that?
yeah. Yeah, I think all this is mostly just to keep it from like rattling.
Well, who doesn't like a
Anti-rattle.
rattling caliper?
I know. Anti-rattle.
Too bad they can't make something like that for your mouth.
Oh.
It stops rattling off.
Oh man. Is camera still on?
Just wait till the camera shut off, buddy.
All right. Wipe my hands off for the 5th time.
Oh, I can't believe how dirty you got my towel.
All right, let's put the Honda on and go to our private testing track in Mexico.
Did you say put the Honda on?
I did.
Okay.
I'm thinking about we're going to the Honda brakes next.
Okay.
Let's
get this Honda on there.
Yeah, let's put the tire on, and then we can test it at our off-road track in Mexico.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, proper way to treat tools.
Especially since 90% of those are mine.
No. I'll be a few screwdrivers. Just a little dibble dabble.
Look at all the fluid coming out from under that car.
But it's nothing. It's nothing.
Holy cow.
No, I don't know. I ain't changing that thing valve cover gasket again.
Look at all this. Let's see if this camera will pick it up. I mean, it's been sitting here for barely an hour. Look at all of these drips everywhere. I'm not worried about the concrete. I'm just thinking to myself, like, that's a lot of fluid.
Yeah, I gotta constantly check the oil.